Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to check Wi-Fi password on your iPhone devices. So as you see, I already have my iPhone in hand, and all I'm gonna do, just click settings first, then go over to the Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi that I'm connected with, click on the info, the top right, and click password, then tap on it, and then you should scan your Face ID, and then if that doesn't work you can always, and as you see it's already shown. And that's basically it for the video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.